In the crowded market of accounting and payroll software, small businesses often find themselves weighing options that promise to simplify their financial lives. Two names that frequently come up in this conversation are Patriot Software and QuickBooks. While both aim to assist businesses with their financial management, they approach this task with different philosophies, feature sets, and target audiences. Understanding these core differences is key to choosing the right tool for your specific business needs. As an accounting software expert, I'll walk you through a comparison of Patriot and QuickBooks, focusing on what sets them apart, so you can make an informed decision without getting bogged down in jargon. Core philosophy and target audience. Patriot Software. Patriot's primary focus is on simplicity and affordability, particularly for payroll. They offer distinct, separate modules for accounting and payroll, allowing businesses to choose one or both. Patriot's accounting software is designed for straightforward bookkeeping tasks, while their payroll solution is often praised for its ease of use and cost-effectiveness. They tend to appeal to small businesses, often with fewer than 100 employees, that prioritize ease of use and a lower price point over a vast array of advanced features. QuickBooks, by Intuit QuickBooks, on the other hand, is generally seen as a more comprehensive and robust all-in-one accounting solution. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, has long been the industry standard for small business accounting. QuickBooks offers a wide range of features beyond just core accounting and payroll, including inventory management, project costing, and extensive reporting. Its target audience spans from freelancers and very small businesses to growing small and medium-sized enterprises, SMBs, that require more sophisticated financial management tools. Key feature differences. Accounting. When comparing the accounting modules, the difference in their core philosophies becomes very clear. Ease of use versus breadth of features. Patriot Accounting is renowned for its user-friendly interface and straightforward navigation. It's designed for business owners who might not have an extensive accounting background, offering basic invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and standard financial reports, like profit and loss and balance sheet. Prioritizes efficiency in these core tasks. QuickBooks Online, the cloud-based version, which is what most new users consider, offers a much broader feature set. While it has a steeper learning curve due to its depth, it provides advanced invoicing customization, detailed expense categorization, robust budgeting tools, sales tax management, and multi-currency support. Inventory management. Patriot Accounting has limited or no robust inventory management features. If your business sells physical products and needs to track stock levels, cost of goods sold, and inventory valuation, Patriot will likely fall short. QuickBooks Online offers comprehensive inventory management, allowing you to track products, manage stock, calculate cost of goods, and even handle purchase orders. This is a significant differentiator for retail, e-commerce, or manufacturing businesses. Integrations. Patriot Software generally has limited third-party integrations. While it integrates seamlessly with its own payroll module and might offer a few other essential connections, it's not built for extensive connectivity with a wide ecosystem of business apps. QuickBooks Online boasts a massive marketplace of over 750 third-party app integrations. This means you can connect QuickBooks with a vast array of tools for CRM, e-commerce, point of sale, POS, time tracking, and more, creating a highly customized and integrated business ecosystem. Key feature differences. Payroll. Both offer payroll services, but their approaches and the level of service can vary. Service levels. Patriot Payroll offers both a basic payroll, self-service, and a full-service payroll. The full-service option handles federal, state, and local tax filings and deposits on your behalf, along with W-2 and 1099 processing. It's known for being very affordable and efficient for standard payroll runs. QuickBooks Payroll also offers multiple tiers, e.g., Core, Premium, Elite, with the higher tiers including automated tax filings, HR support, and same-day direct deposit. QuickBooks Payroll often integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks accounting software, which can be a significant convenience. Advanced features. Patriot Payroll focuses on core payroll processing, tax filings, and direct deposits. While it includes features like time-off tracking and employee portals, It generally has fewer advanced HR features or complex benefits administration tools. QuickBooks Payroll provides more advanced payroll features, including richer HR functionalities, automated employee benefits administration, though sometimes at an additional cost, and robust time tracking, often through its integration with QuickBooks Time. Pricing structure. Patriot software is generally considered more budget-friendly, especially for its basic accounting and payroll plans. Their pricing structure is often transparent and per employee based for payroll. QuickBooks tends to be more expensive, especially as you move up its plan tiers to access more advanced features or higher levels of payroll service. Its pricing can sometimes feel more complex due to various add-ons and user fees. User experience and support. Patriot software is often lauded for its intuitive interface and straightforward setup. Users with limited accounting experience typically find it easier to learn and navigate. Their customer support is generally well regarded as US-based and helpful. QuickBooks Online, while powerful, can have a steeper learning curve due to its extensive features. Its dashboard can initially feel overwhelming to new users. However, it offers a vast array of online resources, tutorials, and a large community, in addition to customer support channels.